In this video.
Why are you behind the fence, by the way?
Picture, sorry. Don't mind me.
Welcome, welcome! Today we're gonna visit some temples.
Yes,
Are
we
you
just
excited?
arrived at the first one.
What is it called?
Prambanan temple.
Yeah, we're just parking our fancy
I'm
scooter.
just fixing some stuff quickly.
It's really amazing to have a scooter to just go wherever we want to go. We made it. We're here.
Yeah. So we just arrived at the Prambanan. Unfortunately, it's Monday and we didn't know, but on Monday the actual entrance in between the temples is closed.
Yeah.
But we can walk around it until that wall and then go around and everything.
Do you like it?
Yes, very beautiful.
Yeah, indeed. Woo.
Ooh, yeah, it's also kind of cool that it's Monday and closed. So there's not a lot of people.
Yeah, that's true.
It feels more authentic, I guess.
Uh-huh.
Instead of walking around
With like
mass
100
tourism.
other tourists. Still have a awesome view. Like,
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
yeah. Okay, so a little bit of history. This is the largest Hindu temple in the world. I didn't know until I read the
Book, sign, paper,
flyer.
flyer.
And it's built around the 9th century, then by some upper man with a lot of money, I think. He was like in charge of it. Some of the temples are already, well, they've fallen down or whatever. Nothing's left of it. But there are like over 200, what was it again?
214.
240 temples on the complex. So it's like huge. That was history lesson.
History lesson with fan.
Yeah, there's a lot of information in it, but what it represents and all the stories that are like engraved in there as well. But
If you're interested, you can search it up yourself. We have arrived at another temple, Temple Lumbung, and it's a bit smaller than the other one, but it's still very cool, and you can actually walk around and inside this one. So let me take you inside.
show me your crib.
It's not built for tall people.
Oops.
Doesn't come with windows, but it's still pretty. Nice.
Yeah. Okay. I think for me it's the first time I see temples like this, like Hindu temples.
Yeah, I've never been to Asia, so
Yeah,
never
no.
really seen
But
that.
I was like talking to Tim about how it's nice to see something else than a church or a chapel or something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, this is something different. It's cool.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah.
Like, it's hot though here.
Yeah, it's super hard.
It's like, ooh, it's early still,
What is it? It's like
9:30,
9:30, but it's already.
but it's already hot, and we've been walking around for a bit as well now.
It's surviving, but
Yeah.
it's very beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, and respect for all the people that are working here and like making it look nice. And there were also people like on the, how do you call that?
And the temple itself, on the bricks, climbing,
Yeah.
and cleaning. They were climbing pretty high actually, so it
Yeah.
looked a bit scary.
Just
but
bare feet.
yeah.
Yeah.
It is helpful that the temples have a lot of structure and angles and
Yeah.
little corners
True.
that you can grab on.
2 seconds later.
Another one. Another one. Kandi Bubera? Or something like that.
Yeah, so
It's
Kandi
nice.
is temple, so...
Kandi means temple, and then Bubara is the name of this
So from now
temple.
on we will talk very fancy with Kandi. And Kandi Bupra, Kandi Lumbu.
Why are you behind the fence, by the way?
Make a picture, sorry. Don't mind me.
Yeah, the
Sorry.
Bushman. Oh my god, look at you. You're way too happy. Cats.
We're gonna check Kandi Bupra from the inside.
Yeah.
This one
There's some stairs.
is a little bit more stairs over here than the other one.
Pretty high stairs.
A big step forward. Let me see if I can get a lighting. Oh yeah.
I think on this side as well.
Yeah. Poles. Stone poles. And some kind of
Yeah, I don't know.
offer table. I don't know.
Yeah, I think so.
It smells really authentic in here, don't you think?
Smell is great. Unfortunately, we can't provide any of that for the video. Yeah, be happy.
We have arrived at Kandi Siwu. Nice.
It's quite big.
Yeah, it's this.
They're working a lot.
Yeah, they're constructing,
Yeah.
reconstructing a lot of stuff. But this one is the second largest
Yeah, in the Western
Hinduist-
Java.
in Central Java. The details in this is so insane. Pretty impressive.
Oh,
We're on the balcony.
balcony.
Yeah. The second largest
In the
Buddhist
8th
temple.
century it was
Built in the 8th
so
century.
it's older than the other.
And it consisted of 240 temples. So
It's crazy.
it's like these were all temples and temples and temples.
So that was part 1 of the temples.
Yeah.
Actually really nice because one of the tour guides that was walking around with a group here, he recommended us a really nice temple that is like a kilometer away from
only
here.
a kilometer away.
It's a really nice mixture between Buddhism and Hinduism.
Yeah.
So we might go there.
Yeah, let's go
Yes. We're at this really cute spot. It has like a kind of garden with really tiny, I don't know how to call them in English. Lampionnen. Yeah. It's really cute. There's music. We were actually hoping we could eat something here, but yeah, it's closed for now, so maybe another time. But it's really nice to have a look at the nice temple in the back. Okay, so I need to tell some change of plans because we found out that due to our flight tomorrow we're not gonna make it to go to Borobudur temple. We were like, maybe we can still go today. We knew that it was already closing, so we couldn't even get inside, but we still decided to just go over there and see if we could get any images, footages. And now Tim is controlling the drone. And actually, it's really amazing. It's weird to kind of know that the temple is only a couple hundred meters away and the image is like this pretty. Still really nice to kind of see it from out of the sky in the air. What are we gonna do now? I don't know. What's to come next? A lot of fun things. But thank you for watching. You wanna say anything?
Yeah. Well, goodbye, and I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye.